Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on CSS Flexbox. We're going to learn about the order property. Just to review, we use the Flexbox so we can have different columns inside one row. And we can see here in this example, we have a box container that's a display flex, and we have two columns inside of this one row. And the blue box appears first, and then the orange box, because that's how they appear in HTML. But we can rearrange this order using the CSS Flexbox property of order. So this will show what order you want it to appear. So we can make the blue appear second by giving it a value of 2. And then it goes second, and then we can put order of 1 for the orange just to be precise. And there we go. And if there's more than 2 elements, it will just go up to how many elements there are. And if it doesn't have an order, it will just go on the regular order of chronological in the HTML. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.